Methods. See, methods are the ways used for separating the code to separate related block of statements. So let me show you an first example. Separating the code to a new method and calling it as and calling it. I'm going to create a method called add, and I call it as a add method version 1. So let me start with this. See here, I have a file called test.java which has a public static void main. Let's write the simple program to add two numbers. Int num1 equal to 10, int num2 equal to, let's say, 20, and int sum equal to num1 plus num2. Then I'll have one println statement to say sum. In Sublime, if you want to generate the println without writing system.println, just write pl and press tab. That will generate the println. Same way, even if you want to generate the main method, you can say main and tab. Generally is a habit for me to keep it as felight to keep our brand. So it's a simple program to add two numbers. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to separate this code to another method. Why? Reason is simple. Whenever you are developing a method, know this one, you are not developing the method for yourself. Whenever you are writing a code, know this one, you are not writing the code for yourself, you are writing it for others. So this is something should be callable by others. So I have to separate this to a method in order to do that one. We already been using the method. So what is this? Isn't it a method? Public static void main. So using this signature, we can create another method. So let's call it as keep the public static same. What is public, what is static, don't bother. You need to wait till core Java in order to understand that. Return type also I'll make it as void. So this is basically called as access specifiers and modifiers. This is return type, and this is method name, and this is called as arguments. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a method called add without arguments. There is no arguments, and return type is void. Void means this is the way to tell that this method do not return any value. All I will do is now I will copy this code and I will paste here. You see, that's how we create a method. The general syntax for the method: access modifiers and specifiers, return type, method name, and arguments if there are any. So we successfully created a method, but how do we call it? Simple. You just have to call like this. Let me compile this and execute. Java C test.java java space test. So I am able to see the output. What is the advantage? Now you can call as many times as you want it. Is it clear? So this is the first version of the method. We can call it as add method version 1. What is version 1? No return type and no arguments. I can call like this. In the next video, I will go forward and we'll make some modification to this program. Stay tuned.